When you want to kill a dog, you give it a bad name. Let's normalize referring it to as Igoo mmuo and less as Omenani. The only thing wrong with the word Omenani, by the way, is that it's less effective. It makes spirituality sound optional. But Igoo mmuo to go mmuo is not optional. It's what everybody does. Everybody now go mmuo. You are going to visit your mother, whom you love, right? And you buy lady fingers. I think that's what that super sweet biscuit is called. You buy delicious poisons so that Mmoya is happy, to appease and please her spirit. Just like Olumili, right? You are not worried about her physical health. You enjoy watching her spirit being pleased as she snacks delightedly and fiendishly. Even though need the short-sighted, mmụọ ka ị na-agụ. Mmadụ nwee mmụọ, gị nwa na-ala ụla. Ifu mmụọ gị. Your body does not leave, but your spirit goes somewhere where you have otherworldly encounters in any effect on your physical plane. Maka, if we're about to mmụọ gị nga, imago na inwe problem n'ụwa. And if you don't act on it, you're going to see it. Onye na-adịrị agụ mmụọ ka a na-asị na onwelo mmụọ. So imagine what you are without your spirit. Imagine what you are without your spirit. Katon. Ikenga na-adịrị ile. Amazi. So let's refer to it more as Igoo mmuo and less as Omenani. Ask me Igoo mmuo questions. Ask me Igbo spirituality questions. I'm very accessible and it's what I do. It's my work. And use Holy as music. My other work is music. Use Holy as music. As your Igoo for tutorial, as your spirituality meditation too. If you work hard during the day, play it all night and especially before you sleep, so that your spirit calms down and you can remember your dreams. Yabali.